Okay, welcome to your project. We just created an entire Django app from scratch in this course in Django 101. What I would like you to do is, if you haven't been following along, I want you to try to recreate this app from scratch. It's going to take a little bit of research. You might have to access the Django docs. You might have to access this beautiful website. It's actually not beautiful, but it's very, very informative. ccbv.co.uk, very, very helpful. You might have to access the Bootstrap docs. You might have to do a little bit of research. It's not going to be super easy, but it's going to be great experience. Or if you want, you don't have to necessarily do it from scratch. You can take all of my source code. You can always download the source code as well from github.com/calebtallien/Django-101. Make sure you follow the README. I'm going to write a README in there, and then you can just follow along. You can clone it down to your computer and set it up on your own, and then just modify it. I want you to make it look beautiful, make it look and act amazing. So we did all the back end work. You can now just have fun with all the front end work. And the front end work is really, really fun. You get to make it really interactive, colorful, beautiful. You can make it look and do different things. But essentially, you should be having a project like this on your computer that takes an image, uploads it, and displays a thumbnail, and then we have a detail view in Django. Feel free to modify it to your heart's content. And since you are on Skillshare, you have a dedicated project section. It's a little green button that says My Project or something like that. You can click that button and you can add screenshots of your code and how it works. Or you can add a video if you wanted to. You could put a video up on YouTube and show me that your project is working, and I can give you tons of feedback if you like.